Hey everybody, welcome back. So what we're going to do today is walk through what a typical adjustment looks like at Exceed Chiropractic. Now, each adjusting style is different for the individual. My youngest patient was 10 days old, the oldest one was 81, and I've seen almost, every age in between. So it's up to me to modify my adjusting style for the patient. So the adjustment we're going to be performing today is the one that works best for Connor. Now, Connor, what do we have going on today?
I have some hip pain that's been lingering, and my neck hurts, and I have a mild headache.
Okay, so Connor and I took over this practice at the end of September. We've been, staying pretty strict with the treatment plan this whole time since then. So, we've already gone through a complete full exam, health history, doing orthopedic tests, assessing range of motion, pain levels, things like that. So, we wouldn't pull somebody straight off the street and go right into adjusting them. But when you started, Connor had a lot of headaches leading into even turning into migraines, some severe hip and lower back pain. Her hips might be a little tight today because she just went skiing, and a little bit of a mild headache today. So let's go ahead and get you adjusted. Let's go ahead and lay face down. If you lose those glasses, perfect. Okay. So sometimes people have a common misconception that chiropractic adjustments hurt or make people sore. Now, sometimes there is a split second of a little bit of a sting, but we really try and do light, lower force adjusting with some speed added into it there. Okay, we're gonna kind of check out the hips and the lower back as well. Okay, and then any pain or pressure as I feed in here?
No.
Not too bad. Okay. And you can relax those legs. Okay. So just a few spots in through this mid back. I'm going to drop this headpiece down just a click. Okay. And let's go ahead with a big breath in. All the way out. Little push. Good. All right. Another breath in. All the way out. Good. And one more here, just a little bit lower. All the way out. Perfect. All right. Go ahead and face me on your side this way. All right. We're going to bend this top leg here. Scoot you right up towards the edge. Perfect. So we have a couple ways to be able to adjust the lower back. This is a side posture adjustment. We don't do side posture adjustments on everybody. We're able to use this drop table here sometimes. We're going to do a side posture adjustment with Connor here. All right, let's go with the big breath in. All the way out. Good. All right, flip the sides. Okay. Okay, just lining these hips up next. Another breath. And out. Good. Whew, that's a big one. On your back there. Go ahead and check your neck out. Headpiece is coming down. Perfect. All right, a little bit on this left side here. Just checking out range of motion. Finding that area that's stuck within her spine. Each time we adjust her spine, we're removing nerve interference so the body has a greater capacity to heal itself. Okay, a little bit on this left side here. Good. All right, that one feel okay?
Yes.
And one more here. This is that headache generator. Perfect. A little bit of decompression here. Kind of feels good, and take some pressure off of the lower part of the neck. All right, support the back of your head and help you up. All right, and we're all done here today. So that was a typical kind of chiropractic adjustment at Exceed. You can always give us a call at 402-786-0257. Thanks, have a good day.